So here doing the maintenance here, and we're going to replace the blower capacitor on this carrier 90 plus furnace. So you want to make sure you turn the power off before you stick your hands in there. Sucks because it's all the way on the bottom. Here's my light. Sometimes you got to get down on your belly. So you're going to remove those two leads. And then there's a screw holding that bracket there. I believe it's a 1/4 inch screw. Just get a nut driver in there. This is a 7.5. This one's bad. And we're going to put the new one in. Yeah, that's always a little tricky. Trying to get it back in place. So you always want to test a new one. Make sure you got a good one out of the box. We're going to set the meter to microfarads. So this is the new one, 7.5. So we'll set it. So we got it set on microfarads, and then we just test that. What's wrong with that meter?
7.5.
Oh, 7.5. Oh, I see. Okay, great. All right, good. So we got a good capacitor. Slide the new one in place. Tighten it up. And put the leads back on. Make sure it's secured.
Alright.
And this is in place already.
Yep. Ready to roll.
Ready to roll. I see water dripping down here.
Yeah.
See right there?
Could be from this drain.
Oh, it's from that. It's from right here.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, we'll put the door back on, just test it out, and then that's it. It's a wrap.